Good morning, students. In mathematics, we study chapter 4 linear equations into variables. In first part, I discussed there what is standard form of linear equation into variables. Second, I discussed there if any one linear equation is given, then how we can find the values of A, B, C. Again, find the solution of the equation. And if solution given, then find any one unknown quantity is given, that unknown quantity's value. At it we are studying only this much. Second part of discussion, how represent the equation in graphical form. Then I will first discuss the graphical representation. Few unknown things like what is equation of x-axis? Equation of x-axis. Y is equal to 0. Equation of x-axis what is? Y is equal to 0. All of you see here, this is the coordinate. Then add x-axis, and this is y-axis. This is origin. On the x-axis, the ordinate value becomes 0. The ordinate value is y-axis value becomes 0. That's why we say equation of x-axis y is equal to 0. And equation of y-axis, that is x is equal to 0. On y-axis, the x value becomes 0. The x value becomes 0. After this, very important questions one I will discuss. That question so many times in examination asking. First, there draw the graph of the equation. Draw the graph of the equation. Draw. Example. Draw the graph of equation. Draw the graph of the equation. Y is equal to x. Y is equal to x. And y is equal to minus x. And y is equal to minus x. On the same Cartesian plane, on the same Cartesian plane, What is your observation in this graph? what is your observation in this graph, see all of this. That's why two equations given, y is equal to x. For solution, for y is equal to x, when x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. Sorry. Clear all of you? If you will put in place of x 0, then y also you will get 0. When x is equal to 1, then y is equal to also 1. Sorry, 1. Only two value I will calculate here. Clear? For equation, second equation, y is equal to minus x. For equation y is equal to minus x, there you see, when x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, when x is equal to 1, then y is equal to minus 1. Then y is equal to minus 1. After this, I will represent on the graph. You will see here. This is the y-axis, x-axis, origin. We will write all this value. X-axis, y-axis, origin. We are not going to take more values here. 1, 2, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. Only this much needed here. Minus 0, 0, 1, 1. 1 this one we can get. Clear? Then we can draw and that is the origin. Already here we can draw this line, these 2 points. One origin and that is point A, you can say 1, 1. Second, here also y is equal to minus x. There also x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, same point origin is there. Third, x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1. Then this value we can get. This value. This is B. 1 minus 1. We can join it and we can draw like this. You see a lot? Then what is conclusion about? Here asking us me. What is your observation in this graph? What is your observation, dear students? These 2 lines are intersecting line. You see, these 2 lines are intersecting line. Here you write y is equal to x, and here you write y is equal to minus x. These 2 lines are intersecting line. Clear? After this, one more question I will discuss here. You see. Represent example 2 represent 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 in one variable. First, one variable. Second part, on graph, able to say on graph. In first part one variable, second part two variable. In one variable and two variable. You see how we can simplify this question. Simplification of this one, solution of this. Solution 2x we have 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 or 2x is equal to minus 9 and x is equal to minus 9 by 2 means 4 whole minus 4 whole 1 by 2. First part, in one variable we represent this one on a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here you can say minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Then minus 4 whole 1 by 2. This one points is minus 4 whole 1 by 2 in one variable. Second part in two variable. In two variable. What we can give here? Actually, first we write here standard for in two variable. 2x plus 0y is equal to minus 9. And when we can represent in two variable, you see this one. Able to see? Slide here you can feel confusion. No, that side. Okay, I will bring this slide. This one I will bring here slide. Yes, all of you able to see. You see here. Y-axis, x-axis, origin 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Then, when you simplify, then here also you can get x is equal to minus 9 by 2 and x is equal to minus 9 by 2. We can represent like this. You see here, the straight line parallel to y-axis. There, x value we can get the constant. X is equal to minus 9 by 2. Then in this way we represent the question on the graph paper if asking in one variable or if asking in two variable. Dear students, according to your new syllabus, which one decided from CBSE board for the session 2020 and 21, what problem, numericals, you don't solve more, only like this one, graphical representation. In first part, what is I discussed, that's one you have to. What problem questions? Only limited question you have to, not more than the examples you can do. Here only these questions given in your linear equation in two variable in your syllabus. That's why I discussed this one, linear equation in two variable, and not more than other this one. Any questions are given in your syllabus, Then one more times I will say to representation of equation, linear equation on graph paper, at least you can calculate two solutions. At least two solutions are needed. If 3 you are calculated, then it is also so good. But if you are not calculated 3, 2 also calculated, then you can able to find your answer that lines are intersecting, line parallel line, or what is you want to decide, you can able to take. Secondly, in this chapter, what students have done mistake there? The students always doing mistake transferring of the equation. Suppose any one equations are given like this. I will discuss this one. Two x plus 3y is equal to 5. If you transfer slightly, you have done mistake. Suppose 2x is equal to 5 minus 3y. Anyone student write like this, 3y minus 5. Then what happens? That is mistake that students have been done. And after this, all your answer will come wrong. All your answer will comes wrong. If you don't want to write this 3y after this, then you can able to write these same things like this also. Minus 3y plus 5. That is correct. But this one, never correct. Then you have one do mistake in transferring of the equations. After this, x is equal to 5 minus 3y by 2. Now you put the value of 2. Which one? Your numerical value comes after putting the value of y, even number. That is good for representation on the graph. Otherwise you will get in point in your decimal, and if you get a point in decimal, then for representation this is very difficult for representation. Then dear students, that small things keep in your minds to study this chapter, to representation of the graph in your graph copy. Again, in this chapter no more things is there. After this I will start your next chapter, coordinate geometry. That is also very easy chapter. All of you enjoy that chapter. Okay, then best of your luck. Thank you.